Do you really need to know how to cut and stitch to become a successful fashion designer? Because let's be honest, this is one of the most confusing questions for anyone entering fashion. Some people say if you can't pattern cut and stitch, you're not a real fashion designer, while others say designers design, ideate, and it's the tailors who stitch. So what's the truth? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Siddhi Mapxencar, and on this channel we talk about everything fashion, career, education, and building your own fashion brand from scratch. And today's video is extremely important if you are somebody who is serious about building your own fashion label. We are going to break down how much stitching you actually need to know, when it becomes absolutely essential, and when basic knowledge is enough for you to navigate through this field, and what happens if you don't know pattern cutting and stitching at all. So make sure you watch this till end. Before we jump into opinions, let's first understand what it actually means to know pattern cutting and stitching. When people say you should know cutting and stitching, they don't mean you need to become a master tailor all the time. There are actually 3 levels of this knowledge. First up is surface level knowledge. This includes understanding seams, darts, and silhouettes, knowing how the garments are constructed, and of course the basic terminology that is used in production. Here you may not stitch it yourself, but you understand what's happening in the process. Second is working knowledge. This is where you can understand stitching basically, or you know how to stitch your basic garments. You also understand basic pattern making. You can identify and fix simple issues in garment construction. This is where most good designers should be. Third is expert level knowledge. Now this includes advanced pattern making, complex garment construction, and couture level finishing. This is usually pattern masters or highly technically skilled designers. So the real question here is not whether you know pattern cutting and stitching. The real question is, to what level should you know about it? Now let's talk about situations where in-depth knowledge is a game changer. And to understand this better, let's look at some of the most successful designers globally. For example, take a look at Alexander McQueen. He started as a tailor on Savile Row. His understanding of structured precision, garment construction, and cutting really helped him to have a cutting-edge design attitude. Then there is lovely Siddhi Mapxencar. He completely changed how we look at garments thoroughly, right from pleating, fabric innovation, fabric manipulation. His techniques are really amazing, and this level of innovation has definitely helped him to create a niche for himself. And of course, Rika Wakubu. Her designs may look abstract, almost like art, but behind that art is extremely strong technical knowledge and pattern cutting. Closer home, we have designers like Anamika Khanna, Tarun Telihani, who have done impeccable job at Indian draping. Also Sabyasachi and his construction of lehenga, of different innovations have been such a remarkable impact on Indian silhouettes. We also have Rohit Bal, who is known for his structured silhouettes and detailed craftsmanship. Again, strong construction knowledge plays a very crucial role in his design thinking, and of course the amazing collections he has created over the years. And even someone like Manish Arora, who is known for his bold creative designs, also relies on solid technical understanding to execute those ideas into finished products. Now let's understand situations where you need in-depth knowledge. Let's make this practical. You will need a very deep knowledge if you're starting your own brand. When you're starting your own brand, you'll deal with karigars daily. You'll explain your designs. You'll fix production issues and nuances. Now, if you don't understand pattern cutting and stitching, you'll get wrong outputs. There'll be a lot of wastage of fabric, and eventually you'll lose a lot of money. You don't want that. In-depth knowledge is also beneficial when you want creative control. If you're somebody who wants unique silhouettes, perfect fit, and innovation, having a great knowledge in pattern making and stitching is non-negotiable. You need to understand this construction thoroughly so that you can explain it to your karigars and tailors. Thirdly, you will need this in-depth knowledge when you work in smaller teams, in smaller setups. Here, you are the designer, you are the visionary, and you are the problem solver. There is no big team who is going to fix the things for you. So you must know all the basic and also not just surface level knowledge, but also the in-depth knowledge that will help you systematically solve all the problems. Want to try your hand at fashion design? Join me, Siddhi Mapxencar, in our 3-day fashion design workshop, specially crafted for beginners and creative minds. In just 3 days, you will learn fashion sketching, fabric play, and create your own original design, even if you've never drawn before. Just click the link in the description to grab your spot in our upcoming batch. Seats are limited, guys, so don't wait. Let's design something awesome together. See you at the workshop. So now let's explore when basic knowledge in pattern making and stitching is enough. Let's be practical. Not everybody needs to go deep. If you are working in big brands, you don't really need a very in-depth knowledge of pattern cutting. In large companies, designers usually focus on designing. There are pattern masters who handle construction, and there are tailors who will execute stitching. So here, you don't really need in-depth knowledge of pattern making and stitching. Working knowledge is good enough and will help you navigate through the journey comfortably. Secondly, if you are into fashion styling, fashion marketing, or fashion content creation, you don't really need to focus on pattern making and stitching. If your focus is styling, fashion sentiment, fashion content, creative direction, what you need to know is more or less the working knowledge of pattern making. Here you definitely don't need the advanced stitching skills, because more often than not, you're never going to really sit on the machine and create complex silhouettes. Now, why this knowledge is so important? This is where most people underestimate the importance of pattern making and stitching. This knowledge will help you in better communication. When you understand pattern making and stitching, you can explain your ideas thoroughly and clearly. Your team understands you better. Otherwise, more often than not, it becomes like I said this and they made something else what they understood. So it's very important that your communication has to be clear and thorough. This valuable knowledge will also help you to save time and money. Remember, production mistake is equal to losses. If you understand why a particular fit is wrong, where a seam is off, what a good finish looks like, you are going to fix it faster. Also, knowing this knowledge will get you respect from your team. This is very real. When karigars see that you understand their craft, they respect you more. Fourthly, this knowledge will give you immense creative freedom. You can experiment, test ideas, and innovate without depending on someone else for their expertise. You can start your design process fearlessly, and it becomes much more enjoyable and joyful experience. And if you notice, designers like Alexander McQueen or Kawakubo, they just don't design. They understood how ideas became garments. Now let's talk honestly. If you don't know pattern making and stitching at all, you become overly dependent. Every small change will need somebody else. You will feel like a ship without a compass. This also leads to miscommunication. Your design will never be equal to the final garment. You'll be irritated and the whole design process won't be fun. It's also easy to get misled when you don't have this knowledge, especially in production system. You might get overcharged or get acquainted with a very poor quality work. Lack of this knowledge will also lead to slower growth. You no longer understand the garments thoroughly, and it takes you a long time to improve your designs because you are disconnected from your basics, and basics are very important in your design process. So if you ask me honestly, every single designer should aim for at least working level knowledge of pattern making and stitching. You don't need to be a master tailor, but you should know the basic stitching of garments, understanding pattern, and know the construction techniques, so that your entire design process gets much more easier. As for me, when I was a student, I thoroughly loved the topic of pattern making. I was not a fan of stitching though. I was so much intensely involved with the pattern making process that when I started my brand Mapxencars, I also started working as a guest faculty in NIFT Mumbai. It's been an amazing experience for last 16 years being guest faculty at various colleges, and my main forte is pattern making. So yes, I'm one of the designers who thoroughly enjoys pattern making, and I have mastered this technique over the years. So if you're somebody who wants to go in depth with pattern making or also have working knowledge of pattern making, do explore our courses at SEFT. So if you look at most of the big designers, they may not stitch every day, but their foundation is very strong. Think about it like this. A chef doesn't need to grow vegetables, but they must understand ingredients. In same way, a designer must understand how garments are made. So the answer is not really black or white. You don't need to stitch every day, but you cannot afford to be clueless. Try to get the middle path. If you're serious about fashion, this skill will only make you stronger, more confident, and more independent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I had a great time making this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, this is me, Siddhi Mapxencar, signing off. Lots of love and God bless.